Hello there, Peter Baker and Katie Brody here from VoiceOver Masterclass. So what is a voice actor? Let's start at the very beginning. There are four main areas to voice work overall: mainstream voiceover work, audiobook narration, animation and cartoon voice acting, and game voice acting.
Voice acting. Getting to play various characters where you're never seen, but only heard. It's where you never get to put on costumes and makeup, but only by using the power of your own voice. You get to totally convince the audience that you are another person. Voice acting is great fun to do and can pay very well. What's more, as well as recording in various professional studios where you're with the clients and often with other actors playing the other parts, studio equipment these days is so good quality for the price. It's easy and affordable to set up at home.
So what kind of voice and skills do you need to have to get into the game voice acting work and character voices for animations? Well, it depends on the areas you want to work in, but certainly the need to lose any inhibitions is important, as well as flexibility and the ability to stay into character as well. And there are so many strange and wonderful characters you can play in the game industry. The industry that's arguably bigger than the movie industry these days. Sales of games are rising all the time, loads of new titles, most of them need voice actors of some sort. Now, they could be drama-type scripted affairs where you're assigned a specific character, or a load of weird voice noises that are needed in usually crazy retro platform games like hoo-wee, hoo-wee, ha-ha-ha, ooh, can't get me, and so on. Now, for the high-end dramatic game projects, what producers look for here are good actors, and we really mean people who can act. They can give stunningly realistic performances that can relate to the player, and the financial rewards can be as great as movie stars. Voice acting for the top-selling games is true, believable character acting, as if you were on a theater stage or in a movie. Now, existing trained actors may find voice acting for character work quite easy. There's no lines to learn, they don't have to wear any outfits. But many find difficulties in performing straight voiceover narration, where they're asked to bark out hard sell radio ads. On the other hand, many successful voiceovers just can't get into proper voice acting because they're either not flexible enough with their different voice styles or accents, they can't lose their inhibitions, or maybe the characters they create don't develop beyond stereotype. But don't worry though, not everybody can ever be good at everything, and it's important for you to identify what you're really good at and also what you could be even better at, and get some training. This is why we've put together a comprehensive video-based training course where you could learn everything you need to know about voice acting, the skills, the techniques, how to get your first job where you get cast as a game character. The course has 3 downloadable resources as well as over 5 hours of HD video with so much explained, from dubbing to Foley, how to take voice direction in the booth, to getting their jobs in. We even interview successful voice actors from around the world to ask their own tips to getting started.
Throughout the training, we encourage you to take action and make notes and do any suggested exercises, as that's the only way you'll truly make progress and get the results you want.
So click for more details now, and let's get you started on the road to becoming a successful and busy voice actor. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now, over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.